you should already have all your 10 navigation pages, just like this. You should already have that. This is one of your students that have done this. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you record you want to make sure that you have all your pages done before you can move on to this next step for your other classes. So the next thing you need to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and show you again how to create your page if you haven't done so, but you should have. And I'm just going to say create page. If you're in project success, you're going to pick the sub page. Now, the next thing you're going to do is create a layout. You can pick as many layouts as you want. It depends on how you are designing your website. But I am going to pick the 2-column. You don't need to pick this, but I am. Now, I am going to say a little bit about what ICT6 is. ICT6 is called Information, Communication, and Technology in 6th grade. We get to work on creating games, websites, and programming because basically it is a computer it is a computer science class. And then you may put more information that you want, tell them about what what you use. This website will show you, especially about your best work. Here are my best work from ICT6. Now, you can always put your link. It's up to you where you want to put your link because you have to learn how to insert link. And I already have a video on that, but you have to learn how to insert links. So I'm going to show you an example of inserting a link, okay? Here is how you do that. You go and write, okay, my personal website link. You could say your personal portfolio. Of course, this is your personal portfolio, but the best thing is I'm just gonna go use your personal learning style. My personal learning style results. So because you're creating your personal learning style result, you're going to highlight and you're going to go to insert. The first thing you need to make sure is that you have your insert links. So you're going to go insert. You click on the one you want. You can put a web address here so it does it to the URL that you want. But the first thing you need to make sure is that do you have that URL somewhere? If you have your personal learning style, you can go into your computer, go into your ICT6 because this is where you have it. If you already have it in Google Drive, you can always get it from there. But let's go into one of this and get it. And I am going to pick a JPEG version because I've saved mine in a JPEG version. So it's on that website. So here is what I would have done. So I do have it. I just want to make sure that I go in. Oh, yeah, I want to open that first. So let's go in. I'm going to open it. And it gives me this picture and image. You see this link right here? You may copy this link by going into your own PDF version of it. So let's see if we can get that out. You can scroll all the way down, saying the original copy. You see right here, you can see if this will copy. If it doesn't copy, I'll show you another way to get the information. So go ahead and go into your site again. We'll copy the link. So if it's not copying, there's another way to do it, and I will show you how. So I am kind of processing to get the information out. But the best bet is I am actually using um, the, you can either do the link or I do the image. So I'm actually going to show you how to use the image. But let's see if this is going to still copy out. Oh, it did copy out. So you see how I click on that image? I exported it so it can have an untitled. And then it says, please enter the valid URL. That means that's not going to work. So, and this is called process of elimination, by the way. So let's use the image version, this one. So I'm going to cancel, insert, image, and you're going to say upload image. If the link doesn't work, if you can get your link, it'll be great. But if you don't, that's fine too. You go to unit 1 and you look for your JPEG version. This is that link that I created, but I know that's not going to work. So I'm going to pick the JPEG version. And I'm going to upload. And that's going to bring all the pages on here. Sometimes you can adjust how you want your images to be done. So let's save and see what happens. You see how it does it because of the JPEG version? You can either do this or try to find the link to your website or take the test again if you want to, but I would not recommend that you take the test again. And then you post it. And that is how you insert your images. I will show you how to do the link as soon as I get it.